This 2022 Riverside Intrepid 165i is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Riverside is 16 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleeps 3, LP detector, air conditioning, stovetop burner, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, microwave, oven, awning, leveling jacks, and 36 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Riverside Intrepid 165i is 2,860 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.